I'm Eric Boyd. I'm the president of HackLab. HackLab is a clubhouse for geeks. We're a place to come and hang out with people who are interested in technology. HackLab is like a gym, but for your mind and for your imagination. HackLab is the kind of place where you can come in one week and find people playing around with a gigantic robot head costume, and you come in the next week and people are playing with non-Newtonian fluids and like vibrators.
A HackLab member is someone who's willing to dive into the deep end and isn't scared to take the initiative and share what they've learned with everyone else. The HackLab is more than just a space, it's a community. People come here and they make friends and they meet people with similar interests and similar passions to what they like and what they're interested in.
I was introduced to 3D printing 5 years ago and it really captured my imagination. I actually created a 3D printer that can be solar powered that you can actually fit inside a carry-on suitcase. And my goal is to take this to remote villages and fabricate medical supplies on site.
HackLab is a home away from home. It's a place where people come to work, to hang out, to relax. I work in an office, a 9-to-5 job in a fabric-covered box with no windows. This place is the opposite. I come here to decompress. I work on things I want to work on instead of things that I'm told to. Hopefully you realize we're not the evil type of hackers. Hacking to us is repurposing, reinventing, learning, and discovering. Taking things apart to figure out how they work, to make them work better.
HackLab is the kind of place where our laser cutter has labels in Klingon.
There's a place where you can come with your crazy ideas and say, hey, let's just try this out. And everyone's so enthusiastic no matter how far out your idea is. Creativity is important, taking control of what's around you and being less of a consumer and more of a maker, more of a doer.
I've been a lot more fulfilled here at HackLab doing these projects, working with these people than anywhere else that I've ever found. The kind of things that you can do at HackLab is so broad. I 3D printed a model of jet engine, which, like, come on.
My jet engine will blow you away.
Plug in the compressed air and it just screams and you're like, I'm afraid it's going to explode and kill everyone, but it doesn't, so.
When I first joined, I joined because of the technology coding aspect of HackLab. I didn't join for photography, but now I'm just going nuts with it. This is all about creativity, community, and sharing.
I can always talk about my geeky thing that I'm working on, and there will be people that are really enthusiastic, really interested, and will help me out if I get stuck on something. The one thing I really enjoy about HackLab is everyone here has a slightly, like, sometimes warped but always interesting sense of humor. And I really enjoy that, you know, being able to crack offbeat jokes.
HackLab is actively looking for new members. We just moved into a much larger 2,700 square foot space, and we have lots of room for new projects and new people. If this is the kind of thing that interests you, we invite you to come on down. We have an open house every Tuesday. There's also workshops and parties. And if you're interested in something we don't currently have, you can bring that to HackLab. You can make it happen.